Hello class, welcome to week 4. I wanted to direct you when you first get into Blackboard to look on to the announcement section. Specifically, I posted an announcement last week about the final signature assignment paper. I have a little paragraph here about thinking about it because I know we're in week 4, or as an announcement I talked about week 3, but the paper is due at the end of week 7. There's a video below that really discusses the paper. I look at the assignment page and the rubric, and I help to show you where various sources are to give you help throughout the process as well. But the main thing is to know is that the paper is really kind of a capstone of what we're covering throughout this class. So you're going to note that there's different parts of the paper. It is a 10-page paper. The content is 10-page that we're talking about as we're going through these different weeks. Maybe in the discussion board, maybe throughout your theme papers, and there's different resources that you have to utilize in the final paper from some of these theme papers. So, as you're completing these various topics throughout the week, it's a good idea to look at the final paper and to maybe say, hey, this is a resource that I want to use as I'm composing the final paper, or maybe you want to get a portion of the paper done and written out of the way. So please review that recording and just really think about the final paper. I know that we're in week 4 now, but week 7 will be here before you know it. These 8-week classes do have the tendency to fly by. So let's talk about week 4. For this week, you will be reading chapters 9 and 10, and this is about career counseling and multicultural groups, as well as gender issues and dual careers. Here is the website for the NCTA website that talks about there's links for multicultural counseling, career counseling, and minimum competencies. So you're going to look at that for your Theme 4 paper as well as your final paper. What you have to do this week, you have your Theme 4 paper that is due Sunday by midnight, as well as the discussion board, which your initial prompt is due Thursday by midnight, and you are to respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight. There's the prompt down here that talks about cultural and career choice, to talk about different characteristics of a multicultural career counselor, what that looks like. Remember, I noticed this in the announcement last week, but you should have at least 2 scholarly sources, one of which is not from the main text. So remember that. I am getting a little more stringent about grading, so if I notice that you only have 1 in your initial post, you will receive points deducted. We're getting close to the halfway point, so it's to be expected that you read through all these assignments and the details. And then for the Theme 4 paper, we're going to discuss specifically mental health and disability concerns related to career choices and job concerns. So, again, it is a 5-page paper, which has the title page, abstract, reference page, and 2 pages of content. So make sure that you review that as well. So that's what we have this week. Make sure that you continue to look at the final paper, work on the final paper. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to help you out, but I need to know. So reach out to me. I'm here for you, okay? I hope you have a nice week, and I will see you later.